All right, welcome back to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And today we are on the go operating portable quick QSO with November 8 Sierra Golf Zulu on the FM repeater that's aboard the International Space Station. Now this FM repeater was brought into line September 2020. 437 800 megahertz is the downlink, 145 990 megahertz is the uplink. We had an 800-mile, 1,300 kilometer contact into grid Echo November 66. Okay, enjoy. November 8 Sierra Golf, is that a Roger? Okay, this is Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec, Fox November 30. Alright, November 8 Sierra Golf, this is Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec, Fox November 30. Okay, November 8 Sierra Golf Zulu, I copy now. Roger, Roger. November 8 Sierra Golf Zulu, this is KC2 JRQ, Fox November 30. Okay, I copy your Echo November 66. This is KC2 JRQ, Fox November 30.
Yeah, coming back with your call there, sir.
Yeah, good evening, good morning. This is KC2 JRQ, Fox November 30.
Hey, Roger, Kilo Charlie 2, Juliet Romeo Oscar, is that correct?
Last letter is Quebec, Quebec. Last letter is Quebec. Last letter is Quebec, Quebec. Over, over. Okay, last letter is Quebec. Last letter is Quebec as in Queen. Over. Okay, I'm good on QRZ, KC2 JRQ. Last letter is Quebec. Okay, an 800-mile contact with the assistance of the International Space Station. There's the contact confirmation right there. It was a tough one, but we hung in there and made the contact. So put it in the logbook. And like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. Thanks for watching.